to create a folder within just 2 seconds. So the first thing that you need to do is just right click on any area of the desktop or any area of where you are creating the folder. So you right click on it, you click on new, you click on what folder, or you just hover the mouse on new and you click on what folder. Your folder is what created. But stick around, I got a bonus tip for you. Now, sometimes you like to create a folder that you can keep your private files in it because your kids normally use the laptop. I got you. So after creating a folder, what you need to do is just press hold the alt key and hit on 255. Now it has been nameless. I don't know if this is the right English. We've really named it but without any name. The next thing is for us to what? Make it hidden or hide the folder. Do you understand? So the next thing that you need to do is to right click on it again and go to our properties. After clicking on the properties, you go to customize. You click on the customize and the next is go to change icon. Go through the icons and select that empty icon or an icon without anything. Yeah, so you click on it, click on OK, hit on apply, click on OK. Now, just check on the desktop. Can you see any folder? But let's check something here. Here is our folder. So this is the basic way to create a folder and also hide it. If you've had any value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And watch these 2 videos here and get updated on anything about Windows. Adios.